In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on Text Size and Weight. And lastly, swipe left or right on this text size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!